Today, we're going to go over the top 9 mistakes that auto repair shop owners make when they're trying to get more business into their shop. Mistake number 1, not marketing at all. I know this sounds kind of silly when we're talking about the marketing mistakes, but I think probably the biggest mistake that shop owners make is they simply do not market. They assume they do such a great job, everybody's going to come back, they're going to tell all their friends about them, and they're going to be busy every day of the year. Well, if you're looking for cars right now, you know that simply isn't true. So you've got to actively market your shop. Mistake number 2, not marketing to your existing customers. This drives me absolutely crazy. The easiest customer to get into the shop is somebody you've already done business with. They already know, love, and trust you. They already know where you're at. They know your business practices. They know your pricing. And they have more than one car sitting in their driveway at night. They probably have 2 or 3 cars, yet you may only be working on one. So there's a lot more meat on the bone by marketing to your existing customers and getting them back into your shop again and again and again. Mistake number 3. Assuming everybody is your customer and you try to market to everybody. Look, the reality is not everybody is your customer. You have a type. Maybe you do really well with young mothers with children driving minivans, and maybe that's where your bread and butter comes from. Maybe you do well with the retired community, and that's your best customer that you have coming in your shop. Every shop is different. You need to profile your best customers and then target your message to attract more of them to your shop. Mistake number 4. Not paying enough attention to your online reviews. Look, when was the last time you looked for a new restaurant or a plumber to do work for you and didn't look at the reviews? Look, we live in an age where everybody uses Google, and when they find a new business or a new product that they might be interested in buying, they're going to look at the reviews. So if you're not doing everything possible to get as many positive reviews as possible, you may be giving business to your competitor down the street. Mistake number 5, using only 1 or 2 strategies to get customers into your shop. Look, there are a gazillion ways to be marketing your business, and you should be using each and every one of them. You should be sending emails. You should be sending text messages. You should be marketing to your current customers. You should be doing postcard mailers to your neighborhood if you want to get more new customers into the shop. And the more places your ads are seen, the more customers you can attract to your shop. Mistake number 6. Not using an offer or having a really wimpy offer in your advertising. Think about it. Can you make any money off of a car that's driving past your shop? Of course not. That's really what the offer is designed to do, is to get somebody into your shop that might be interested in doing business with you. You got to get them in the shop if you want to get them as a customer. Having a good solid offer will do that for you. Mistake number 8, not tracking your marketing. Look, you're going to put a lot of effort into marketing. You're going to be marketing in several different places. You need to know what is actually working and what is not working. What is working and bringing in good customers and what's working and bringing in bad customers. You can't rely on just your gut. You have to actually accurately track where every single customer is coming from. That way you know where to spend your money and your time and your efforts to attract more customers just like them. And the final mistake, number 9, is not marketing consistently. Look, you need to be marketing every single week to get customers into your shop. The time to be marketing for customers is when you're busy, not when you're slow, because when it's slow, it's already too late. You've already slowed down. If you want to have a good quality stream of customers coming to your shop, make sure that every single week you're doing something to attract new customers and your old customers back to your shop. Now that's going to wrap it up for this video, and I really hope you got some great value from it. I intend to go deeper into some of these strategies in the future videos. And speaking of future videos, the one way to ensure that I'm going to be putting more of these videos out is to go down below this video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're watching this on YouTube, and that way it lets me know that you're enjoying and getting good value and you want me to do more of these videos. Thanks for watching.